List of teams to overcome 3-0 series deficits. The following is the list of teams to overcome 3-0 series deficits. The listed teams won 4 consecutive games after being down 3 games to none in a best-of-7 playoff series. Background: 3 major North American professional sports leagues have playoff series that can reach a 7th game: Major League Baseball (MLB), the National Basketball Association (NBA), and the National Hockey League (NHL). In the history of these leagues, teams that were down 3-0 in a series have come back to win the series 5 times, 4 times in the NHL and once in MLB. The most recent example is the Los Angeles Kings of the NHL in the 2014 Stanley Cup playoffs. The only instance in a championship finals series was by the NHL Toronto Maple Leafs in the 1942 Stanley Cup Finals. Conversely, teams have had their 3-0 comeback fall short after evening a series 9 times, 5 in the NHL. The most recent example is the Houston Astros of MLB in the 2020 American League Championship Series. No team has overcome multiple 3-0 deficits in a single postseason, although the 1974-75 New York Islanders of the NHL nearly did so. They successfully overcame a 3-0 series deficit in the 1975 quarterfinals, then rallied from a 3-0 series deficit in the semifinals before losing the 7th game. While 7-game series were traditionally used only for the final series of a postseason, MLB adopted a best-of-7 format for its semifinals. The League Championship Series in 1985, the NHL followed suit for its first round in 1987, and the NBA did the same for its first round in 2003. Outside of the noted major North American leagues, various other leagues across multiple sports also use 7-game postseason series. There are several known instances of teams in such leagues overcoming 3-0 series deficits. List of teams. Key: National Hockey League. Successful comebacks. 4 NHL teams have overcome 3-0 deficits, only one of which occurred in the Stanley Cup Finals. 3 comebacks were completed with Game 7 on road ice, while one was completed on home ice. Unsuccessful comebacks. 5 other NHL teams have evened a series after being down 3-0, only to lose Game 7. 4 of these teams were the visiting team in Game 7, while the Detroit Red Wings were the only home team in Game 7. Major League Baseball. Successful comebacks. 1 MLB team has overcome a 3-0 deficit to win the series. Unsuccessful comebacks. 1 MLB team has evened a series after being down 0-3, but lost Game 7. National Basketball Association. Unsuccessful comebacks. 3 NBA teams have evened a series after being down 0-3, only to lose in Game 7. All 3 teams were the visiting team in Game 7. Other leagues. Outside of MLB, the NBA, and the NHL, there are some other known instances of successful comebacks from 3-0 series deficits. Slovak Ice Hockey Club HK Dukla Trenčín is the only team that managed to overcome 3-0 deficit twice. Successful comebacks. Unsuccessful comebacks. 3-0 comebacks in a best-of-7 with ties. While ties can prolong the series to 8 games or more, these are still best-of-7 series in that only 7 of the games can have a decisive winner. 4 victories still takes the series, thus overcoming a 3-0 deficit is still equally difficult.